Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube episode. And on today's YouTube episode, that's right, I'm in the studio and I got the famous bebe smartwatch. It does call logs, weather, it has its own settings, it has camera remote, hydrate reminder, messages, alarms, Bluetooth, music remote, which is what I need, calculator, calendar, sleep mode, stopwatch, Sedentary Reminder, and voice. It also does dial, and while it's compatible with Bluetooth, but also compatible with Android and iOS. And it's from the company Bebe. On the bottom, all you get is that. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. And inside the package, you get I guess this would be the warranty. This is the instruction manual, but it shouldn't be that hard. And of course the cable. Of course, micro USB as usual. Most devices use micro USB. I don't know why they haven't switched to the USB Type-C, but and there's the watch. And yeah, it has the button there, some button there. Or probably that's the charging port. But anyways, guys, I don't think it's gonna be functioning or on. So I guess you could say that's the end of this YouTube episode. Everybody knows what a smartwatch is like, so I'm not gonna make a review about it. So thanks for watching this YouTube episode. I'll catch you on my next episode. Always remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.